And breaking news, what we are now hearing is a big impact of our reportage here as far as the big Sunanda Pushkar case is concerned. And remember, Subramaniam Swamy's PIL now is going to be heard on the 12th. That is the latest that we can get to you. The registry, in fact, has cleared that matter. So 12th is essentially when that entire PIL that has been filed by Dr. Subramaniam Swamy is all set to be heard. And we had got you more details of what really that PIL contains. Why that PIL amounts to more trouble than for someone like a Shashi Tharoor, who's actually been going after those people who'd been asking those tough questions in the entire case. Why is Mr. Tharoor not worried? Why is he not wanting to figure out how and why did his wife Sunanda die? That's the question, remember, that we asked, and it's a big impact of our reportage here. Subramaniam Swamy going out to file that PIL that is going to be heard on the 12th. My colleague Payal also with us for a quick update on that. So Payal, this is in fact a big validation of the fact that there is more to the entire case than meets the eye, and that's the reason why this PIL also deserves a mention.
Well, of course, yes, it's a massive Republic impact. Remember, relentless coverage by Republic, much to the displeasure of Shashi Tharoor over there. But clearly, in the detailed petition that he had put in, a couple of days ago that you broke exclusively with all the details, which clearly showed the kind of goof up, the kind of botch up in this entire case, the fact that the Delhi police ignored crucial evidence, the fact that the key suspect over there, Shashi Tharoor, was also not questioned for months together. That is now in the court. It was in fact put in the court day before yesterday by Subramaniam Swamy and his co-petitioner Ishkaran Bhandari. That has now been admitted. The registry has in fact cleared that PIL, which means that on the 12th of July, a couple of days from now, that PIL will begin here. We also know from our sources that Subramaniam Swamy is also likely to press in a demand that this case should be heard on a priority basis. This case should get a fast-track hearing.
BJP MP Dr. Subramaniam Swamy now with us on the phone line. Mr. Swamy, thank you for speaking to us here in Republic. Now, this is a big impact, of all the efforts that you've put in, of the questions that we've been asking as to why and how did Sunanda Pushkar die. And we are hearing now that the PIL already now is going to be heard on the 12th.
Yes, it is. It is listed for 12th, yes. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, it is listed for the 12th, and the basis is very sound. He died almost 3 years ago, and more than 3 years ago, and now we have hardly any progress. I think it's basically out of the depths of the Delhi police because it's national and international ramifications. So the Supreme Court has, in a number of occasions, that where a murder in a local area requires a national and international action, then the best thing is to ask, the appropriate to ask the CBI to investigate that instead of the local police. So I would like an SIT with the Delhi police, there the CBI should head it, and the enforcement directed because there's a money laundering angle in it, and the RAW and the IC also be associated.